absolutely love Bigfoot. I'm obsessed with him. One year we went camping. We're all sitting around the fire, me and my cousins, my brother, and we hear tree knocking, and that's a really big Bigfoot thing to communicate with other Bigfoots. And we start freaking out. We're like taking count of everybody there. Nobody's messing around the fire. We're like freaking out. Like, should we hide? Should we go find him? Like, not really sure what we should do. And it was my uncle playing a prank on us, and we were so excited, and then we got so mad at him, but I still think he's real, and that leads to the Fiesta too, because I put a Bigfoot impression in the headliner of my Fiesta. Hi, my name's Courtney Trent. I'm from Somerset, Pennsylvania, and I came to WyoTech to study collision and refinishing, street rod, trim and upholstery, and ASM. Growing up, we had never bought a new car. We've always bought wrecked stuff. We've always fixed them ourselves. We've never paid anybody to do that. So growing up, just seeing a car come to my dad's garage, completely mutilated, whether it had to do mechanical or body work, and within a week he had it up and running and on the road for my mom to drive or one of my grandparents to drive. Just seeing the fact of what you can do to a vehicle that most people would think is a lost cause just kept me into it, and I wanted to build my own stuff the way I wanted to. I sort of took more to the auto body side whenever I saw him doing some painting and simple body work in his garage. Once I saw that and took an interest to it, I decided to go to our collision and refinishing program that we had at our WyoTech at the time. So I took that the last 3 years of high school. My instructor there actually was a previous WyoTech instructor, so that was really, really neat. He brought a lot of that to the school, and I learned so much, and since then I've just loved it and I've stayed with it. Trim and upholstery was the only class that I came here with no experience and no background other than watching my mom sew on her machine, which is actually really, really different. So I was really nervous for trim and upholstery because I've also heard that it's one of the harder classes in the school. But I found that I learned the most from trim and upholstery, and it's really high up there on my list of things that I really enjoyed. I have several projects back home. But just because of the distance, I haven't been able to bring them out here. So while here at WyoTech, I've worked on a lot of staff projects. So our coordinator for specialties, he has a little custom Ford truck that I did full carpet in. And in collision refinishing, I did do a half wrap on my own car, and then I also did custom interior on my own car in trim and upholstery. So a little bit of stuff that I could play with while out here without my actual projects. I plan to have those builds complete and have a successful trim and upholstery shop up and going that I will start when I also return, along with going in on halves on a business with my brother, doing collision and automotive. If somebody came to me and they wanted a car built for Bigfoot, I would hands down drop everything I was doing and build that build.